I put the new 4Gs on the G. I tap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer calls cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke now.
Welcome back to my channel. We are in Costa Rica. We're in Costa Rica today. We just landed and we decided to get a rental car. I have something to tell y'all. So for everyone that's traveling and you are getting a rental car in another country, the best thing to do is, yes, it's easy to do it on like Expedia or like, you know, all them other places, them third-party places. It looks like you're getting a good price, but we just learned that the best way how to rent a car when you travel out of the country is that you have to go to, like, if you're going to go to like Avis, right? You have to go to avis.com/ like here we're here, Costa Rica, and then whatever mandatory rules that they have here for the like insurance, like they have a mandatory rule here for the insurance. You have to have insurance for if you hit somebody else's car. But when we're booking online through Expedia, we got insurance. We thought it was good, but it just covers this car. You get it? But mandatory in the country, whoever is renting a car has to also have insurance that covers other people, like, you know, bodily injury or just other people's properties. So you have to pay that additional cost. So word to the wise, if you're ever traveling and you're going out of country, go to the car rental place that you want to use. For instance, you can search like Expedia or Priceline or any one of them to make sure that, you know, which one may have the best price. Oh, there's another trick. When you are renting a car, make sure that you are clicking automatic or manual. So we rented a car earlier, well, a few days ago, and when we got to the place, they told us that we rented a manual car. Nobody driving no manual cars. So they were telling us, oh, we can give you an upgrade to automatic. It was costing us a arm, a leg, neck, like the whole body. So we were like, no, you know what? We'll book it online. We'll go take us back to the airport, which they did. Their shuttle bus took us back to the airport. So in the airport in Costa Rica, they only have like desks, but their offices are off-site and their cars are off-site. So you have to go to their offices to process the actual paperwork. So it's a lot of information, but to simply it down for everybody, if you're ever renting a car, it is best to go to the place that you're renting the car from / the country that you're in. Simple. You'll get one flat rate and you should be okay with one flat rate plus the car rental. So, and make sure that you're clicking automatic. I mean, if you can drive manual, that's fine, but we ain't trying to do that. And you need to also research like weather conditions, like what other people recommend. Like in Costa Rica, they recommend that you get an all-wheel drive, like a SUV versus a car. I mean, it's very mountainous here. Like the views, as you can see in the intro, the views are, it's beautiful. There's a lot of mountains, I'm sure, dirt roads and everything. We just got the car, so we don't know yet. Hopefully we don't have any of that. But it's also good to do your full research before you get to a place and know what you're signing up for. But I come off my soapbox about car rental. So if you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So for our agenda for today, we are here for a good time but not a long time. So we have a whole agenda for today is we're going to go to the what is it, a rainforest? We're going to a rainforest, and it has like these, you've probably seen it before, these hanging bridges. And we are going to, first we want to try to get something to eat, but we saw this place on YouTube at the Central Market, but the Central Market is a lot further than we thought it would be. That's a fly right there. Yeah, so the Central Market is a lot further than we thought it would be, and we are going to try to head to the it's called the Arsenal Hanging Bridges, and then from there we're going to try to go, like later on in the evening, go to the what are they, hot springs. So that's our agenda for today. But we flew in through San Jose, and the place is in LaFortuna. It's 3 hours away. So now we are driving there because if you remember in my Brazil vlog, pause, if you have not watched my Brazil vlog, this is the perfect opportunity for you to go ahead and pause this where you're at, go watch my Brazil vlog so you can get caught up on what I'm about to say. So play. So in my Brazil vlog, the first day we landed in Brazil, right, the place was beautiful. We had beautiful views, mountainous views. It was just gorgeous, right? Brazil was amazing. And we had paragliding set up, but the next day we did some things. The first day we were like jet lagged. The flight is longer. Here the flight is to come to Costa Rica is like 3 hours. To go to Brazil is like 14 hours from Orlando. So we have a better flight time now. But what we have learned, because we don't travel for a long extended period of time, once you land in a country, well, that's what I'm going by. If you land in a country and you have good weather, try to maximize the things that you do versus waiting until the next day and the next day, because you may not get to do it, right? We're not going to go to any beaches here. I didn't travel here for beaches, so you're not going to see any beaches. But you'll see views and views and views. Just arrived at the Central Market. We're about to try authentic Costa Rican food. When we drive out the whole of San Jose downtown, we find one food spot when sip on YouTube. Me say any oil food not taste good. What you gotta say for yourself?
Let's go.
Alright, let's go try this food he talking about. Alright, there's nobody near. You know what? You were responsible for bringing me on this trip and actually doing all the excursions and everything. You were responsible for planning. You were responsible for making sure that I had a great time. So, yeah, you bring me come here if we can eat authentic food. So, we gon' taste and we gon' see. Everybody likes the food. This is cas. Tastes like passion fruit. Tastes really good though. It's refreshing. It's pickled veggies and it tastes just like escovitch fish. And it's delicious, but it just choked me though. Oh shit. So they do the rice and beans on a omelette. The omelette tastes good. The rice and beans taste good. And we put it on banana leaf. Alright, we're gonna try one of this. So this smells like rum. I don't know, I kind of wanted to try 16, you know. Gracias. It reminds me of something. I'm still. No, it's not lemon. It has. What do I have? It has cinnamon. Vanilla. But it's kind of like really like thin shredded ice. It's kind of like a sorbet, but it's not a sorbet. It kind of have a creamy taste to it too. It don't taste bad. It don't taste bad. Giving me like pumpkin too. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, the food ain't taste bad.
Food shot.
The food actually tastes good.
Shot.
I wish they find it earlier, but you know, good things come to those who wait, and we sure waited. So, what you have to say about the food? You proud of yourself?
But listen, you know, anytime I find something, it's always a gym. So, what that? Food shot.
I mean, you found me, so can't argue with that. But anyways, we're gonna try to go with Airbnb right now. If we go check in, drop off a bag them, probably, and freshen up so we can go do this hike thing.
Freshen up, beard off.
You know that freshen up mean? I that freshen up mean. That freshen up mean. We are go.
Freshen up mean.
No, we're not tidy. We are go beard and we are go come out back. We can try hike. We are in Costa Rica, people, and we are having
Continue
fun.
on Carretera Interamericana.
It is good to explore. It's a good thing we got the car, because exploring. Imagine if we had to Uber. Costa Rica is huge. It's not like, I mean, Brazil is huge, right? But we everything was kind of close together.
Yeah.
You know, like the Uber was so cheap, but Costa Rica and the traffic, the place might not be too far, you know, but because what if people out here take a long time. Oh, so you can see, you know, so the agenda for today, when we get home and beard off and change, me tell you know what we had do later. people in our reach home for tonight if I saw slow this a train I go.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide.
Alright, I'm ready. Let's see if y'all can see the look. Let me get the bag.
There's another universe. Please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a
Yeah. But you have these additional options: lobster mac and cheese with bacon, truffle potato. You ready for the drinks? The chula, tequila or mezcal? Tequila. Okay.
Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point to being good, then where's my reward? The good die young and poor. I gave it all.
Good morning, beautiful people. So today is Friday, and trying to leave for a day trip to LaFortuna today to try to see the hanging bridges and the waterfall, and we want to do one of those hot springs. So that's the goal for today. Trying to do hot springs, waterfall, hanging bridges. You know what? The weather here in Costa Rica is not hot. It's like 70 something degrees. Pretty cool. Yep, I enjoyed it yesterday. Hopefully today is nice and, you know, cool. It's bright, but it's not hot, like humid, which is a good thing. So we're supposed to hike tomorrow morning. We're praying that there's no rain when we go out there to hike. Costa Rica so far give me chill vibes. The people are, even though I keep saying this, I know poquito español, poquito, tiny bit of Spanish. So for me, it's like if they say, I can pick up on 1 or 2 words and figure out what they're saying. So that has helped. But I promise that I'm going to go back and start, you know, brushing up on my Spanish, because I actually liked Spanish when I was going to school. I'm gonna brush up on my Spanish. That's one thing I'm taking away. I feel like every time I leave, every time I go somewhere, I say I'm gonna take away something. Brazil was the stairmaster when I was walking up to Christ the Redeemer. I was like, you ain't gonna get me no more not walking on stairs, you know? And now I'm saying that I actually liked Spanish, so I'm gonna go back to my Spanish and brush up on some things. So let me fill y'all in. We went to Jaguar Negro last night, as you can see, and I hear people talking about, oh, it's a must do in Costa Rica, but looking at the menu, it's a Mexican menu. That being said, being a Mexican menu, I would chance it, but Pippa is not. He's like, nope, not doing it. So we went there, he gave it a chance. They gave us an additional menu, but he was like, no, everything they're giving a chipotle sauce, and I'm not with that. So we were there, we were still trying to give it a shot. So I asked them if they have steak. They say yes, they do have steak. So I said, all right, let me see. The man bring out the thing yesterday last night. I mean, I know something about it just turned me off. When he showed me that big rib, the big steak that he say I can share, and it just, I don't know, I didn't feel it no more. I didn't feel it no more. So I was feeling like I was dehydrated. So I got some water, and after I got some water, he got a drink. He got a spicy drink. I don't know, it was salty and spicy. I don't even know what he ordered. But it didn't taste bad, but it wasn't for me. And he after that we left. So once we left, we were driving around. There's this club here that they say it's a Jamaican club, and we wanted to check it out. It's called Roots House of Reggae. I was excited. I was like, all right, we're gonna go to a club when we're over here. Driving to the club. The club was giving hood vibes, but then where the street behind the club was giving hood vibes, and that's where the GPS took us. I was like, sketchy. I ain't know about coming out the car to go do this. Anyways, when we get there, nobody not did it. I don't know if we got there too early or whatever, but we were looking food, so we were like, all right, let's just go to the Jamaican spot, because they say they have a menu. Anyways, nothing. I see another restaurant that they say is good. Alright, that's it. I have some MAC lip gloss. Giving enough shine. This is the outfit for today. Just a simple dress. Knitted dress.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. The first hanging bridge, and they said that's not the highest or the longest one. And let me tell you, that motherfucker moves. It swings high up, really high up. The monkey ladder bridge. Vacation is here. I completed the trail. 2 whole hours of walking and hiking, and I did it. Now it's time to enjoy the views. So they have Okay. So we just left Baldy Hot Springs. If you're ever in Costa Rica, Baldy Hot Springs is a must visit. It was worth every penny. While you can get you can stay there, it's a hotel, it's a resort and spa. You do have the day pass, so we chose to do the day pass, and it was great. We loved every minute of it. The hot springs was given. They put work into making that beautiful. We wish we had more time, but I feel like we did amazing. We stayed there like what, 3 hours? Yeah, and it was good. They offered dinner or lunch in the package, but we had already ate while coming from LaFortuna, and we didn't need to. So now we are driving back to our Airbnb, 3 hours from LaFortuna to San Jose, to make sure that we are back home. So we should get there in about 2 hours and 40 minutes. So it was a day well spent. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because we're not done yet. We have a lot more places to see. Our bucket list is long. And over here, so just have a vibe. Tell your friend them say if you come over here, so yeah. Come on, while we come party. Don't forget to leave your comments. If you've been to Costa Rica, or Costa Rica is somewhere you want to visit, drop a comment below. Let me know where you've been or where you aspire to be or go, and tell me where I should visit next. Hey guys, I just got back to the Airbnb, and this is what the view looks like. Good morning, guys. So today is our last day here. It's a half a day. We are going to try to go to Hacienda, Chimba, to try to go hike before we leave. So we're heading to the car. It is 7:43 a.m. but we leave like it's our half a day, so we're trying to get this hiking, and then we are going to come back and take a shower and get ready and head to the airport. But instead of laying down just being in the Airbnb, we're just going to get out and do something, maximize our time. How has San Jose been so far for you?
Been great. Lovely. A great time.
Yeah, we've been having a wonderful time here. I feel like with the car and everything, we got to see so much of just different parts of Costa Rica.
But just in case, we have the shelter after the hand, 5 kilometers or 3.5 miles. To begin, you need to go from the reception to the entrance gate. It's simple. You're going down this way and you're going to right in front of the parking. In that way, you will watch the entrance. You go through, as I told you, to the one that it has a small A. You will go the first, the 2.5 kilometers to watch the bullets. After that, you will watch the Oxcar. Later, as 7 yards on the view. After that, the continental letters. And by the way, here you will notice that we missed the eye. It was on purpose. We are supposed to be the eye from the shade and something. Later, you will cross the butterfly. Later, the heart, and finally, the hand of the mango. Here, like in another point, you will watch signs like this one. And actually, after the hunt, as I told you, you will have the option to take the shortcut. So you will watch the bar the cat if you want a nice moment, the love letters, and to a gelateria to buy ice cream and something hot.
Okay.
And finally, the restaurant Laguna.
Don't fail me now, Nike. Backside. Alright, uphill. Listen, this hike is treacherous. Better be worth it. You know the worst thing about this hike? It's all uphill. A moment in life when you're rethinking your decisions, this is it. I look at the benefits because when I get back home, I'm gonna be kickstarting my weight loss journey. So, with that being said, sometimes I stop and rest in my life. You know, I give up in a but I have to take a break and come back stronger. My legs though are on fire. How are you feeling, sir? Sometimes I have to just look back down when I come from and say, thank God. I feel like the hardest part is behind us, which is good. So it's mostly downhill from here, which sounds great given the circumstances. But look at it. Hey guys, so I just got back to the Airbnb. We're about to pack for our flight and we're gonna head to the airport. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog here. I want to say thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. You know, their support means a lot. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about the channel, help us to grow so we can be going more places. You know, leave your comments below. Join me on my next one. Bye.